Ina Tommy.
Lovin.
Hi there. I'm Amy, record mo.
Naro. Ay, hindi ko din siya. Grabe. Kala,
Ay, anitak ko mi.
so,
1, 2, 3. Hi, my name is Pansy. I'm from Exodus English School. I'm studying in 4th standard. If you want to speak English, please come and join us in our school. Our school is awesome. Our teachers are kind and friendly, but there's one thing you should know beforehand, which is we speak only in English. Remember that. If you are still willing to come, you are welcome. Good ya.
apoy natin siya libero.
Kakain din siya. Hi, my name is Pansy. I'm from Exodus English School. Ano tayo yun, sir? Ano to? Ay, One, two, three. Hi, my name is Pansy. I'm from Exodus English School. I'm studying in 4th standard. Our school is... If you want to speak English, bujang.
At chalot to.
Nagnaga kayo, no? Tinfok na.
Kawin na main. Janin ikon.
Ay, kayo mukha na siya so katitan. Kami umdaw siya. Diyan.
Ay, nagbukayo. Ito niya kawin na ito.
Liliana Catchman. Liliana Catchman. Kani. Oh, hindi.
Dito kami bisa.
Liliana Catchman. Eliana Wemsley. Eliana Wemsley. Ito after si bulldog mo.
Sorry to end sila.
Bye. Vlogging channel.